Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a secret trick for creating perfect French tips using French nail guide stickers without making any mistakes. At first glance, these guide stickers may seem super handy, but once you actually try using them, you might find they're trickier than they look, and it's easy to mess them up. For example, the sticker might start peeling from the edge, or the gel may leak under it, creating a wobbly line. So today, I'm going to show you a clever way to avoid those common mistakes and get a clean, professional finish. Let's start with the French guide stickers I recommend. Unlike others, these ones are wider and stick firmly to the nail. They're also soft and flexible, almost like a thin film. So they hug the curve of your nail nicely and help you get a beautiful result. When doing French tips, it's best to use stickers that are thin and wide like this. But even with good stickers, just placing them on your nails and painting over them often doesn't work well. The most common issues are the stickers lifting, or the lines becoming jagged. So now, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make the most of these stickers and avoid any mistakes. First, apply your base gel and cure it. Then, apply 1 or 2 coats of your preferred color gel and cure each layer. After applying the color gel, do not place the guide stickers on right away, because the sticky layer of uncured gel is still left on the surface of the nail. If you stick the sticker onto this tacky layer, it won't adhere properly and will start lifting. Plus, applying gel directly over it will result in uneven French lines. So, to make sure the sticker sticks firmly, apply a non-wipe top coat after your color gel and cure it. This seals the surface and helps prevent the gel from bleeding under the sticker. Once that's cured, it's time to place your guide stickers. These particular stickers come with 2 types of curves. One with a deeper curve and one with a gentler curve. Here's what each one looks like when applied. Choose the curve that fits your style. For this demo, I'll use the one with a deeper curve. When handling the stickers, be careful not to touch the adhesive side with your fingers. This weakens the stickiness. Always use tweezers to peel them off. Also, if you peel from the outer edge of the guide sticker, the French line might end up uneven. So make sure to peel from the inner edge instead. When placing the sticker, start by aligning the center of your nail with the center of the sticker. After pressing it down firmly with a silicone stick, smooth it out toward both sides, gently stretching to remove any wrinkles as you go. Now the guide sticker is firmly in place. Next, before painting the white French tip, Apply a very thin layer of base coat over the sticker and cure it. This step is absolutely crucial to preventing mistakes. The base coat fills the gap between the sticker and the nail, which helps stop the gel from leaking underneath. Make sure to apply this coat thinly and only along the tip of the nail. If it's too thick, the sticker might tear or the line might get distorted when you remove it. Once you're done with this step, cure it. Now, apply your white gel polish in a very thin layer and cure it. Be sure to slightly overlap the sticker so the line appears sharp and clean. After curing the first coat, apply a second thin layer and cure again. Avoid making it too thick. Once the second layer is cured, slowly peel off the guide sticker. Do this gently and with steady pressure to avoid messing up the line. And just like that, you have a clean, even French tip. To finish, apply a non-wipe top coat over the entire nail. You'll notice a slight ridge at the tip where the French line is. So when applying the top coat, make sure to smooth over that area to even it out for a well-balanced finish. Then, cure everything. And that's it! You're done! Using this method, your French tips will almost never fail and look just like you got them done at a nail salon. If you've struggled with French guide stickers in the past, I really hope you'll give this method a try. And if it worked for you, or if you have your own tips and tricks, I'd love for you to share them in the comments. Thank you for watching! If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon! Bye!